must cover patient data protection, privacy, cybersecurity, first layer yon. And then interoperability is the next layer. Pag nakumpleto ba lahat yon, saka lang papasok yung clinical utility niya kung helpful talaga siya sa health diagnosis or health monitoring. That's a different level of approval as well, no? So medyo mahaba-haba yung pag-develop ng infrastructure. Pero I think it's necessary kasi we are dealing with human health, no? So that's why we are very strict on following those areas for us to put together. The good news is Philippines is very rich of amazing and talented data scientists who has the capacity and the skill set that can rival other countries. We just need to tap them and guide them to the directions that actually directed for health implementations. Kasi ginagamit na siya sa fintech and all the others, di ba? Ngayon parang the ocean for which health AI is created, medyo blue pa, no? So we have a lot of talented young data scientists who are actually just need some guidance on how to get there. And that's where the company is actually working on right now.